Howdy all you cowboys, cowgirls, gunfighters, and gamblers. On today's episode of Jedi TV, I'm going to introduce you to another Washington Cowboy Action Shooting Club. This will be my first time shooting with them. Let's go. Whenever I go to a new Cowboy Action Shooting Club, I bring along all the Jedi TV camera gear so that I can promote the club by introducing them to all of my viewers. When you see these episodes, please feel free to share them on your social media to help spread the word to folks who might be interested in joining the fun. Today, we're traveling together to the Smoky Point Desperados, a single action shooting society affiliated club located in Marysville, Washington. This club is located about 80 miles north of me, and depending on traffic, will take about an hour and a half to get there. All right, so before we head to the range, we had to stop and pick up my pard Rongo, which tells you what a nice guy I am, because undoubtedly that means I'll get knocked down by one in the overalls. Say good morning, Rongo.
Morning, people, on Jedi TV.
All right, we're off. I learned about this club from my pard, Mudflat Mike. You've seen him on the show before, and I'll link to a playlist featuring him in the description box of this episode. Mike, along with his wife Nellie Bell, are heavily involved in putting this match together, so you'll definitely get an opportunity to see both of them shoot on today's show. And of course, I'll bring you a look at some of the other members of the club, as well as shooters like myself who've traveled to this match to fellowship with their pards out on the range. Now, before we jump into the shooting, I want to remind you that when I go to these events, I can't film everyone or even everyone on my posse. And those that I do film may or may not be captured on their best stage of the day. As I've mentioned before, there are a couple of reasons for this. One, I simply don't have memory card space to film everybody. And even if I did, I wouldn't be able to focus on my other posse chores like spotting, shagging brass, setting steel, or timing shooters. Also, I wouldn't be able to focus on my own shooting. And I think this take what I get footage gives a better impression of what cowboy action shooting is really like. Not every stage is perfect. Not every run is clean. I actually think it would set unrealistic expectations for someone wanting to get involved in the game if I only showed the best shooters on their best stages, or if I just focused on a highlight reel from the match. This is intended to give you a brief overview of the club, their range, a sample of their stages, and hopefully whet your appetite to come visit them yourself, or at least come with me on my future adventures with this club. I hope that's clear, I hope you all agree, and I hope you'll let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. Now, with all that out of the way, let's get some instructions on our first stage of the morning.
So here we are on Bay 7, Stage 3. You're gonna need 2 revolvers loaded with 5 rounds each and holstered, rifle loaded with 10 rounds, and the shotgun is open and empty both stages safely on livestock, and 4+ shotgun rounds on your person. While standing within arm's reach of the livestock and your hands at your side, indicate ready by saying, "Not another sweep," at the beep with the firearm of choice, but the rifle may not be lost. Engage the rifle targets with a sweep in the following manner: R1, R2, R1, R3, R1, R4, R1, R3, R1, R2 in either direction. Make the rifle safe on the livestock. Engage the pistol targets in the same manner as the rifle, and engage the shotgun fallers until they're down. Anybody got questions?
Could you repeat that?
Not another sweep!
Stand by!
One more. Where'd that come from? Thought I shot that one already.
Scared it. You gotta put lead in your Range is clear. Pick and set.
Yeah, I heard a bang and no fire.
35, 36, and 1.
.16 clean shooter. Base 7, stage 4. You will need 2 revolvers loaded with 5 rounds each and holstered, rifle loaded with 10 rounds in the shotgun, open and empty both, stage safety on the livestock, and 4+ shotgun rounds on your person, while standing within arm's reach of the livestock and hands at your side. Indicate ready by saying the line, not another sweep, posted there. At the beep, with a firearm of choice, but the rifle can't be last. Engage the rifle targets with a sweep of the following manner: R1, R2, R2, R3, 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 R4, 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 R4. Make the rifle safe on the livestock. Engage the pistol targets in the same manner as the rifle. Engage the shotgun fallers until they're down. That sweep is sometimes called the Lawrence Welk sweep. Lawrence Welk sweep. 1 on 1, 2 on 2, 3 on 3, 4 on 4. And you can go either way.
From either way.
Either way. Pistol, same.
Stand by!
Get in there.
Three 9 5 3 spotters, 1 missy miss, 39, 53, and 1.
You will need 2 revolvers loaded with 5 rounds each and holstered. Rifle loaded with 10,
Okay,
shotgun, open and empty, stage on the livestock. 4 shotgun rounds on your person. While standing, with the rifle in hand, indicate ready by saying the line. What happened to the leprechauns? At the beep, engage the rifle targets from either direction in a 2-2-1 sweep, then repeat in the same direction. With the shotgun, engage the shotgun fallers till down. With revolvers, sweep the revolver targets, same instructions.
Stand by.
Oh, yeah, that's right, yeah. I forgot about that. So this is stage 1 on day 6. You will need 2 revolvers loaded with 5 rounds each and holstered, rifle loaded with 10, and a shotgun with 4+ rounds on your person. Rifle and shotgun are staged safely on the livestock. When ready, put both hands on the brim of your hat and say the line. Is it a 3 or 4 leaf clover that brings good luck? At the beep, engage the rifle targets in a double tap sweep. Make the rifle safe on the livestock. With the revolvers, engage the revolver target in an alternating double tap sweep for 10 rounds. Engage the shotgun fallers until down.
Is it 3-leaf or 4-leaf clovers that are lucky?
Stand by. You can sit.
I got that on video.
You ready now? Here it is, your last chance at immortality during this match. Stage 2, base 6. You will need 2 revolvers loaded with 5 rounds each and holstered, rifle loaded with 10 rounds, and a shotgun with 4+ rounds from your person. Rifle and shotgun are staged safely on the livestock. When ready, put both hands on the brim of your hat and say the line. Same thing. Is it a 3-leaf or a 4-leaf clover that brings good luck? At the beep, engage the rifle targets by placing at least 1 round on each target, firing 10 rounds. Make the rifle safe on the livestock. With the revolvers, engage the revolver targets by putting 5 rounds on each target. Engage the shotgun fallers until down.
All right. Is it a 3-leaf or a 4-leaf clover that brings you good luck?
Stand by. Range is clear. The time is 2197 and uno.
Well, there you have it. We made it through all 5 stages with the Smoky Point Desperados. The weather didn't quite turn out the way it was supposed to. We had some technical glitches with the equipment used to film the show, as well as some technical glitches with the operator of that equipment. But, by golly, we made it through. Now, if you're new here, be sure to subscribe to Jedi TV and set that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my adventures, including the next episode where I bring you my 5 stages from this Smoky Point Desperados match.
All right, y'all, we made it back home. I hope you had as much fun watching this episode with the Smoky Point Desperados as I did shooting with them. If you did, of course, make sure to smash that like button for this club. Go out and check it out for yourself. All their information will be down in the description box of this episode. I'm Jed. This is Jedi TV, and I'll see you in some other place, in some other time.